Welcome to solverfy.
So the first thing this problem asks is for you to get the a function, and you can get that just by plugging in the c function on top. So 5x squared plus 94x plus, I believe that is 576, and then all of that divided by x, and so that gives you a vertical asymptote at x equals 0, and you will get a slant asymptote. You can do term by term division to get that, and that's going to be y equals 5x plus 94. So this is for later if you want to graph it. So they start by asking you to get the values at 3, 2, and 1, or 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to give them to you. You can find them by plugging the values 1, 2, and 3 into the equation. It's not particularly challenging. So you get 5 plus 94 plus 576. And then for 2, you're going to get 5 times 2 squared, so 20 plus whatever 94 times 2 is, plus 576, and all that divided by 2 is equal to 392. And then for 3, that becomes 5 times 3 squared, so 5 times 9, which is 45, plus 94 times 3, whatever that is, plus 576, and then all of that divided by 3, and that equals 301. So you can see the rapid drop-off that they want you to look at. Now for the next part, they're asking about where the cost is minimum. And so if you're graphing it, and I'll show you quickly what the graph looks like. We have our vertical asymptote, and then we have that slant asymptote, and we get this right here and this right here. So they want this minimum here. And so that minimum value is going to be 10.73 as given in the problem, 10.73 cents. And so that gives us a minimum cost when plugged in, or the y value for that point really, of 201.33. And so when they ask whether or not it's going to be profitable, this is greater than 200, so it will not be profitable. No profit. And then finally, they ask you to do a graph and use a window to show the function, etc., etc. And so you can effectively use this basic model of the graph that I just drew, and then